Some big news coming in at this point of time. 9 people infected with patient number 419 in Bengaluru on Thursday, as a total of 185 primary and secondary contacts under quarantine. Health officials are trying to trace more secondary contacts. Some details emerging in case of patient number 419, as 9 people are infected with patient number 419 in Bengaluru on Thursday, as a total of 185 primary and secondary contacts have been quarantined. Health officials are trying to trace more secondary contacts as the situation continues to be tense in the area. Clearly, some big news with respect to patient number 419, which is grabbing all the eyeballs, as 185 primary and secondary contacts are under quarantine. 9 people, a total of 9 people have been infected because of patient number 419 who was infected with COVID-19 on Wednesday, as now the authorities have sprung into action, tracing the people, all the contacts which patient number 419 made, and tracing all the people and get them under quarantine at this point of time. As further reports state that a total of 9 people were infected with patient number 419 to all the places which he went to, and a total of 185 primary and secondary contacts under quarantine, as health officials are again trying their level best to trace more secondary contacts if there are any. I have my colleague Ashish joining me live from the newsroom. Well, Ashish, more details are emerging in case of patient number 419. What more can you add to the story?
Absolutely, Abhijit. Now, primary and secondary contacts have been quarantined at the moment, and having said that, the officials, the BBMP officials and also the health officials are making sure that they trace out more contacts, more people who could have possibly contracted the virus, because remember, these people were staying in a place which was congested, and at the same time there were a lot of people that were actually coming in and out of the room that these people were staying in. So where did those people travel, and which were the places that they visited? And also the residents are saying that these people used to visit grocery shops and bakeries, and also used to venture out to other places, other wards as well. So which places did they go to, and where all did they have, which people did they have an interaction with, and which shops did they visit? All of these details will be collected by the BBMP and the health officials, and more and more people will be quarantined, because this is something that has happened in the city, and this could actually break out and lead to something big that could possibly go out of control if not being checked in the initial stages as well. So the BBMP officials clearly have their eye over this, and they have made sure that they immediately quarantine everyone who's come in contact, the primary and the secondary contacts, but at the same time they are making sure that they trace every possible contact, every possible angle, and every possible place that these people could have visited and had had some sort of because remember, primary source of contraction of the coronavirus is human to human contact, and apart from that, even surface contact. So there are a lot of places that these people visited, and those places will also now be visited by health officials, who will be making sure that they seal off those places in case it is required, and also they quarantine people who probably might have come in contact with those surfaces, or people who actually have come in contact with these people directly.
Thanks a lot, Ashish, for all those details. As some more big news coming in, Vidya Jyoti Nagar, as all shops are shut in the area at this point of time. But coming back to patient number 419, a total of 185 primary and secondary contacts are under quarantine, as health officials are trying to trace more and more secondary contacts with respect to patient number 419. As of now, 9 people have been reportedly infected because of patient number 419, who was tested positive for COVID-19 last Wednesday. Really, patient number 419 and the primary and the secondary contacts is making the Bengaluru officials sweat at this point of time, as more and more as the officials are trying to trace more and more primary and secondary contacts with respect to patient number 419.